Trigeminal neuralgia is a condition of neuropathic pain in the face. Usually it will happen on one side. Only in some conditions like in multiple sclerosis you can have it on both the sides. It's a pain in the face which is electric shock like. It comes for 2 to 3 minutes and then it goes away and then again comes, and it will be like a very sharp pain. You will be unable to do your daily activities. Sometimes you feel that there is something crawling over the face, and depending upon which nerve is inflamed you may have pain. Some patients may have pain from the ear to the jaw in the lower lip, and that is because of involvement of V3 nerve of the trigeminal. Sometimes you will have in the upper lip, in the nose, in the cheek area, and that is because of V2. And when you have V1 involvement of trigeminal nerve, you will have pain in the eye, around the eye, in the forehead, eyebrows and all. So what you need to do, you don't need to panic. Trigeminal neuralgia is also called as suicidal disease because the amount of pain the patients have is really very excruciating. So the only thing you need to do is go visit your pain physician. They will identify the condition with your history, and if required you can undergo MRI when your doctor suggests you. So there is a special view of MRI that needs to be taken, and in that we can see that if there is any vascular loop which is compressing your nerve. Sometimes there may be features of trigeminal neuralgia, exactly the same features which are expressed. There may not be any visible vascular loop in MRI. In that condition also, this is called as trigeminal neuralgia. So now what is the best option? The best option is antineuropathics. There are specific tablets for trigeminal neuralgia which you need to take in a proper dose, which again your doctor will be prescribing. And the best way to get rid of this pain is radiofrequency ablation. So it's a very small procedure, daycare procedure, which is done in operation theatre with the help of a fluoroscopic machine. We identify the nerve. Once we identify the nerve, we place the needle, and after that we confirm that which nerve is involved with the radiofrequency ablation machine. And once we have confirmed the nerve that we need to ablate, we can easily do it with using this RF ablation technique. So if you are suffering with trigeminal neuralgia, you don't need to suffer. Visit your pain physician and get rid of your pain immediately.